This is Margaret, and Margaret is going to tell you her first experience of seeing the crocodile or not seeing the crocodile.
It's wow!
So let's just say for the record, Margaret did not see the crocodile.
I did see the crocodile!
She didn't see the crocodile until we were literally sitting on top of the crocodile, and then she saw the crocodile. So,
On the beach.
On the beach. And then she wanted to know if the crocodiles attack on sand. So just in case you're asking the same question, yes, they do. They're not allergic to biting people on sand, so just keep that in mind. Thank you very much, Margaret.
On this episode of Across All Borders Going South, it's all about Dawa moments, Zambezi Sunset Cruise, things to do in Livingstone. On the 17th of June 2021, I departed my hotel in Lusaka, made my way to the bus station to catch an early morning bus to Livingstone. According to Google, the journey covers roughly 485 kilometers and should take about 6 hours 39 minutes. Unfortunately, my bus left late, so that I left Lusaka at 9:45 in the morning and arrived Livingstone at 5:42 in the evening. Now, my main reason for going to Livingstone was, of course, to visit the mighty Muso Otunya, Victoria Falls. If you'd like to know more about this experience, click on the link on the right side of the screen now. Second on the list was to take a sunset cruise on the Zambezi River, which I did and I'll be sharing with you on this episode. In my opinion, the Dawa is a perfect drink to accompany you on such many cruises across the continent and outside of it. I'll be telling you a bit more about the Dawa also. When I arrived Livingstone, I needed to decide where to stay. I had two places in mind and I did stay at both of them. One is the Maramba River Lodge and the second one is Faulty Towers. I can recommend both places. My first and second days involved checking out when I would go to where. This is how I decided to do my sunset cruise with Victoria Falls Waterfront Lodge. Let's talk about the Zambezi River. The Zambezi River is the fourth largest river basin on the continent. It crosses or borders 6 countries: Angola, Zambia, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique. The Zambezi River includes along its course the Victoria Falls, one of the world's greatest natural wonders, and also the Kariba and Kahura Bassa dams, two of the largest hydroelectric projects on the continent as well. One thing I can assure you is that you will enjoy the sounds and the sights of nature whilst going on this cruise. So come along, let's check it out. So I'm actually supposed to be going to Livingstone, and the bus should have left by now, but it's not here. So I've literally waited almost, I think, 20 minutes in the cold, and it's really cold, so I've entered another bus that's supposed to leave at 8:30, next to where my bus is supposed to come to. So I'm going to wait in here until the other bus shows up because it's freaking cold outside, and hopefully we'll leave on time. I've picked 2 places I'm not going to stay, so we'll see what happens. So I have to stock up on what I've been missing.
Okay.
But I'm not vegetarian. I'm laughing because the last time I went to buy some vegetables or salads in a ShopRite, the guy asked me the same thing.
If you are vegetarian.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I bought 3 different things that were vegetable. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to make a dawa. Unfortunately, the limes have been sliced, so this is going to be a bit tricky. I don't know if I'm good at squeezing the sliced lime. Apparently not so good, but we'll try to get, we've got all the ingredients. I just need to try and get enough lime juice from this lime. It's a bit tricky. I think what I'm going to do is, let me just do this for now. Can I don't want the skin in. Are the other 4 people or 3 people, are they here yet?
Yeah, they're coming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's got already. Ah, perfect. Yes, this should be enough. So, we'll have to remove this. Or it's gonna get. Usually it's better brown sugar. How come you don't have brown sugar? Almost everywhere I've gone, there's brown sugar.
I don't
Is
know
it?
here. We
Wait,
use
is it proper? Is it proper white?
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't have even the one that is not not brown, but like looks like. Oh, how is that even possible? I haven't seen white sugar in like.
Here white sugar is it's common.
Yeah, I haven't
Yeah.
seen it anywhere. Like everyone has brown sugar, but not
Seriously?
like not like real brown because when it's like very brown, but
Yeah.
it's not white. I've
But
not seen
that
white
one
sugar
in
anywhere.
between white and brown.
Yeah, that's quite common here. Okay, I think we got enough juice in it because that's about the color. Can you take the camera back? Ah, it's good.
Yeah.
Now,
For now.
there you go. Oh, it should go down. Is it going down? It's staying on top.
It is going down.
So I should have put it, let's see. It's supposed to go down. Yeah, there you go. So normally, when you make the dawa, the honey is there, the brown sugar is there, and then the other stuff, you don't have like the honey on the edge of the glass like that. So we need to get it to go down. There you go. Awesome.
So that's the Dawa.
That's the dawa. Only my problem is, shoot.
The sugar.
Yeah, the white sugar is not really. It's supposed to be brown, not white.
Not white. Looks like salt.
Exactly. It spoils the vibe.
Okay.
So that's the dawa. But the dawa you make in a shot glass. You would not make it in a glass like
a
this.
whiskey glass.
Yeah. You make it in a
I think I
whiskey
have that.
glass. Yeah, okay, let's turn it into the whiskey glass
Yeah.
because like this it doesn't look nice.
It's not a Dawa when it's in a beer.
This is not. Oh shoot. So we are about to start the sunset cruise. It's 16:08. I got myself a dawa, which my braids actually drank half of it because I was trying to find a perfect spot for a picture. So captain's here.
Right,
There you go. We're about to go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Here we go. Oh my god, I slept with this sound in my ears.
Maybe if you can turn around, it's safer that way. So that way, yeah, if you turn around,
I think she went overboard. So good evening. We are on the Zambezi River. We are actually at the deepest point of the river, which is 12 meters deep. At this point, we are between Zambia and Zimbabwe, because the land you can see behind me towards the left is actually Zimbabwe, and I believe this is Zambia. So right in between both countries. The beautiful thing about this cruise is that you can get the sun setting as well as see some animals. So we've seen some hippos, crocodiles and bird life. So if you did the cruise, it's something you can do to combine getting a beautiful sunset on the river as well as being in between two countries. And if your captain was nice enough, you could sneak over to the other country. We haven't struck that deal quite yet, but this is actually a perfect place to be kind of like watch the sun go down and have dinner. So we're kind of having the dinner cruise. We're gonna get some dinner, and we're doing this cruise with the waterfront. What's the rest of the name?
Zambezi Waterfront Surf Park.
Zambezi Waterfront South Park. So my brain just goes gaga. That's what happens when you get a lot of vodka and limes in your drink. But it's a beautiful thing to do in the evening. So if you are in Livingstone and looking for things to do, apart from micro lighting, which I learned about today, which is for people who are very adventurous and don't mind half of their body parts being outside, you can get to see the Victoria Falls doing that, or you can do a helicopter for 15 or 30 minutes. Or you can also do the Livingstone Express, which at the moment is a bit challenged with the number of passengers, but it's a great way to also experience the falls and the bridge. Or you can also do like a proper visit to the falls through the national park. So that's it from me to you this evening, and I'm going to catch my sunset drink and dinner.
So you can bring it. If someone says it's vegetarian, then you can bring it.
Too late. That's why everyone will find out before the boat starts off.
Yeah.
Why are told that no, they're closed effective midnight tonight.
You close 5 minutes before.
Zambia's effective midnight tonight. Then
Yeah, that's why it's called a pushback. Sometimes you don't see this inside the thing.
Okay.
I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Liesel81.